All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Justmoparjoe. The Roadrunner is going home for Christmas. But you know it's going to have issues before it does. I test drove down the highway not long ago and it seemed like the left front was shaking a little bit. It appears if I do this and this, the wheel bearing's loose. So I'm praying that I'll pop the wheel off, everything looks good, I can tighten the nut up and put it all back on. We'll go for another test drive. So I went ahead, just got my pair of pliers here and was bending around to go ahead and pull that cotter key out. And I noticed there's no washer. Typically they have a grooved washer that I may not even be calling it the right thing. It goes over the nut that the cotter key drops into, cotter pin, whatever you want to call it, and that keeps the nut from backing off. This doesn't have anything, and it's probably why the nut is loose and will spin freely outward, even with the cotter pin in it. There it goes. Because it's not there. I think I've got one somewhere. Let me go dig around. I just got tired of looking in the shop, so I came out here to this. I'll take whatever this spindle retainer is. Maybe it's the same on old A-body. 70. This is 72 as well. But this is locked up. It'll never touch the road again that I know of. So. Look at there. That's it. Come on. There it is. Put my pin back in and the cap back on. My money says that the same guy that did that other side probably did this one. You believe half the lug nuts are different sizes? Only the one, man. That was entirely too tight. Okay, we'll find out real quick. Oh, man. Hey, look at there. It does actually have it. Very nice. Grease looks new. She's a little loose. I'll fix it and let's go. let's go for a little quick test drive. There we go. Idling better. Much more responsive. Wow. Got one coming. Drives a lot better with the wheel bearing tightened up. Not about to fall off. That's a plus. So I'd say final thoughts, the car is so much nicer than when it rolled in here. It runs, it drives, it shifts, it steers, it honks. I'm pleased with it. No leaks, finally. Took me like 5 tries to get that valve cover right. It was just warped, it needed to be straightened out again. But I appreciate y'all watching. I'll get you a little footage here. I'll catch you next time.